welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Marie and I am your resident graffiti artist / attorney. And today we're gonna be drawing the word free in graffiti style, street style, if you will. You guys really need to pray for my dog. So today we were walking and I came across my neighbor and her granddaughter. And the granddaughter is tiny, like 2 years old, and she was petting Remy's head. Well, then she proceeded to stick her index finger up her nose and then proceeded to pet Remy's head. You know, at that point, if you got grandma over there, you really can't correct it. Remy, like, he just straight up took that booger like a man. Poor Remy got violated today. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's get to the graffiti. Public service announcement, 30-second timeout, although I can't promise this is 30 seconds, but I'll try to be really fast. If you guys like my channel and my content, or maybe my energy and my vibe, man, please subscribe because I put out videos every Saturday and Sunday. So I normally put them out at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Please don't forget to subscribe if you really like this. Okay, back to the painting. So that's it, folks. That is free in graffiti style. And if you guys like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up or comment and say hello. I try to get back to everybody in the comments just because I like talking to you peoples. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. Be true to yourself. Pray for my dog.